Hello, this is the video for my lesson plan, Northwest Native Plants. Today we're going to look at two of the activities, the first two, in which we do a card game and a flashcard learn. In what's basically a quick game of war, the players hold their cards face down in a stack, flipping up one card at a time, and whoever has the highest card wins. The players first shuffle and distribute the cards as evenly as possible, minus the two instruction cards. At the end of 10 minutes, whoever has the most cards wins the game.
Looks like I won. Thimbleberry. Soft leaves can be used as toilet paper, and stems can make soap. Edible flower fruit. Interesting. It looks like I won again. Big leaf maple. Small leaves are wrinkled in the spring, growing larger than a human hand by fall. Interesting. Edible, sap, flower, and seed.
In this second activity, the students use the plant flashcards to quiz each other until each of them have filled up their handout called Plants I Know.
Duck's foot. Thimbleberry?
After they fill up and turn in their Plants I Know handout, the students must try to locate the 10 plants that they guessed correctly. Hopefully they'll find all 10.
Whoa, it's an Oregon grape. Yeah. Whoa, I think it's a thimbleberry. The leaves are so soft and the flowers are so pretty. It's a Pacific rhododendron. It's so big.
The last step of this activity is when everyone comes back together after they're done IDing plants. Each student should pick a tree that they like and send underneath it to journal for a while. They can do drawings of plants that they saw, they can write about what they saw, or they can take a minute to write several questions about the trees that they can research back at the classroom. Back in the classroom, students will each individually choose an author and find an essay or an article they wrote or a chapter in one of their books to learn more about them and see how they write, and will write a small summary of what they read and what they liked about it. And from then they're going to gather in groups based on the tree they picked in Activity 2. And there's a whole handout on how they pick the groups and what to do after that. But essentially each group is going to prepare a speech to be given outdoors back at the nature area that you were first in. And this speech should be given in front of at least the tree type that it's about. So if the tree that they picked is oaks and their whole speech is about oaks, then the speech should be given in front of an oak. So the topics for each of the individual speeches can be anything from the history of that tree to its biology to just interesting facts about the tree. And then you'll head back out into nature and they'll give that speech in front of the tree. And then do a little bit of journaling and, writing after that. As you can see, this lesson can be used to teach native Northwest plants, or it can be adapted for plants in your area. It can also be adapted for younger kids and grades. So that's the overview of my lesson plan. Thanks for watching.